Hello everyone. So today we are back with another case study, and this time it is for the truck tire repair company. They are in Australia. So we have collaborated with the company that actually repaired the truck tires, and they wanted to increase or improve their online presence and get some more clients to contact them for appointments so that they can get their tires repaired. So now, despite their strong reputation and expertise, the client do have a very stiff competition in the market. They were competing with much bigger brand names, but we have started the plan of action with them by focusing on the Google AdWords campaigns, and the main campaign that worked for them was the call only campaign, because that way the visitor, they can give a call to our client and then they can get their appointment fixed to fulfill their needs of repairing the truck tire. And that's how we got started. The client wanted to have much more clients from their Google Ads account than what they used to have, so that they can bring in much more revenue from online advertisements as well. One of the biggest problems that we have faced with this client is to reach to only a specific audience, because we only want to cater the ads to only truck owners or the persons who drive trucks and fleet managers. So now the way that we got started with them, the first step was the competitor benchmarking. We have been able to see what keywords our competitors are using, and we have chosen the relevant ones. Then we have used those keywords in the Google keyword tool to find out the variations. We have written the ad copies, and we have given these things in a doc to the client for their review, because they know the business better than us, so they will be able to give us some inputs whether the keywords or the ad copies, they are relevant or not. So once we have set up the campaigns for them, we have gone live after fixing the conversion tracking, as we have always tried to focus on the keyword with high intent based keywords rather than the keywords with the search volume. So for example, we have not used the keyword like truck tire because we don't know the intent of the visitor, but we have tried to use high intent based keyword like truck tire repair or truck tire repair services, truck tire service. You can see that these intent based keywords, they are getting much better quality clicks. The conversions are there, and cost per conversion is also very good. And the client did mention the fact that they are getting much more appointment. That is, the visitor, they are going to their shop and then they are getting their tires repaired. The Google Ads campaign produced significant results for the truck tire repair company. It generated over 90 leads and resulted in a 45% increase in website traffic. The company saw a 20% increase in revenue from new customers. The results were a testament to the effectiveness of data-driven approach and the high level of expertise and attention to detail provided by Softrix. In the month of March, we have generated around 90 plus leads with the CPA of only $40. Please do like, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to click the bell icon.